Welcome to the 3M show. Today it's not about the show. Today is a slightly longer version of a video workshop. I know I've been asking you after every minute mentoring session or 3 minutes maximum mentoring session, take your own actions and write things down and see what you're going to do about those actions coming out of every one of those videos. Because if you don't take the actions, you will get zero progress. You might as well take this whole set of videos and put it down the, dare I say, toilet and flush it, because it's not going to do anything for you if you're not going to take any action. All right? So, but today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to actually try and do a video workshop and a video exercise. And it's about what you've heard me talk about through some of them, and it's about the brain, the mindset, the personal transformation you've talked about, meditation, law of attraction, all these things, how to use that brain and state of mind to get focused, get in the zone, so you portray the right results in your life. So here goes. Are you guys ready? Right. Now, imagine yourself, and this is a mental state and a physical state exercise, so keep that in mind. Mental state and physical state exercise, all right? Are we up for it? So, imagine a really bad day you've had where you were depressed, passive, you had nothing but bad news, you had nothing but problems, and you had just absolutely a stressful day with anything from kids, cars, dogs, everyone complaining through to your friends, family, right the way through the office. Trust me, I've had a number of those days in my days. And you carry on. But I have this saying, you know, swan, straight away, swan. Look beautiful on the outside and flap like hell underneath. No one should see it. And it's all about that, because that conditions your brain. Let's play this exercise. You ready? Now, imagine one of those horrible days. How you would be. Would your smile be like that or like that? Would your eyes be like that or would your eyes be like that? Would your cheeks be like this or would they be like this? Would your jaw be like this or would it be like this? Your chest be like this or you would be like this? You get the picture. You are sitting up or you're like that. All of this comes through to the other person. Now you may say you don't act like that and talk like that and the voice and the projection's not like that and all that sort of thing. Believe me, even if you're on the phone, the other person can sense it. I'll give you an example. You do it yourself. Yeah, hello? Yeah, one of those days, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, what can I say? Yeah, anyway, what can I do to help you? Depressed day or a great day? So, do that exercise yourself and you will see the difference. Go on, nobody's looking. It's just you and me here. Do that exercise and see how you feel. Do you feel good? Do you feel bad? See what I mean? Now, let's get positive, because that's what I'm all about. Now, think of a day when you've won the lottery, if you have, thank God, or just bought a new present for yourself, or had a marvelous result in your exam, or just got a pay rise, or just made your first 1,000 or 100 or £1,000,000, whatever it is. Think of those one successful days. Think how you were. Think how your voice was. Think how your smile was. Think how your chest was. How you're pumped up. How your shoulders were up. You were direct with the eye contact. And the whole thing just beaming, full of energy. Think of that. Think how you are going to answer that phone. Hi, how are you doing? How can I help you? That was a great discussion. Now, how can we take that thing forward? I would put my proposal to you absolutely first thing in the morning. See the difference, how you feel. Now, here's a tip I'm going to give you. Because if you act hurt, act passive, act depressed throughout your day, you will get shit results. If you act the other way, and it's all about state of mind and brain wiring. So state of mind, focus, meditation, get that way, positive attitude. Then see what kind of day you have. Even the stresses, even the distractions, the noises and all that will be handled 100 times better than in the other state. Try it just now. Nobody's looking, just you and me. Just look at how you felt. Imagine yourself there and see how you were. How is your chest, your eyes, your face, your mouth, your voice, your posture, the whole 9 yards. Look at it. See how you feel. And then see how you'd address the situation in that state of mind. Now, how do you make it into a habit and a system? Well, what I say is practice it. Practice, practice, practice. You've heard me talk about this in my Minute Mentoring. The habits, the systems, and the practice. Once you do those 3 things 66 times, believe me, you will be a very good state of mind expert, and for sure, the results are going to go up or down. Up. With that, I hope this was a very good, exciting video workshop. I certainly enjoyed doing it. And now you're a few minutes away from meeting your smarter goals.